In this video, I will guide you how to add two column text in Excel. So to combine two columns into one using classic formula that work in every versions of Excel. So you have two primary measures. The first method is the ampersand method, which is the fastest. This is the most common and classic way to join text because it's easy to remember. So click the cell where you want the combined text, for example here, and now type equal sign and give the first reference cell spacebar, use ampersand spacebar, double quote spacebar, hit the ampersand spacebar and select the second cell, which is the second part of the piece. So hit enter, and here you can see that. Use the fill handle to apply on the other rows. So there is the second method, which is the concate method. So for this you need to type equal sign, type concatenate and open the bracket, select the first cell, comma, spacebar and double quote, spacebar, double quote, comma, spacebar and select the second cell and close the bracket and hit enter. And this is what you can use this formula. But make sure in the new version this has been replaced by contact. But it still works for the compatibility. If you are combining first name and last name and want a comma between them, so you can easily do that. For example, you need to put the equal sign and select the first cell and give the space bar, use the ampersand and space bar, double quote, comma, space and double quote, space and use the ampersand again, space and select the second cell and hit enter. So this is how you can easily put the comma between the first name and second name. So once you combine the column and if you delete the first cell, so your combined text will break and show an error. So to prevent this, copy the new combined column text, Control C, right click and paste special. And when you delete two column, this will be applied. So now the text is permanent and no longer depends on the other columns. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.